Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about latest 2025 Honda Civic continues the legacy of Honda's iconic compact car with a fresh blend of style, technology, and performance. Renowned for its reliability and affordability, the Civic has evolved over the years to offer modern, innovative features, making it a top choice among compact sedans and hatchbacks. For 2025, Honda introduces subtle updates that refine the Civic's overall appeal, making it an attractive option for drivers seeking an economical yet stylish and fun-to-drive vehicle. Honda has positioned the 2025 Civic to compete with other leading compact cars by focusing on refined design, advanced technology, and a range of powertrain options. Available in both sedan and hatchback forms, it caters to a broad audience, from young professionals to families looking for versatility. With fuel efficiency, dependability, and a comfortable cabin, the 2025 Civic upholds its legacy while embracing the latest automotive trends. The interior of the 2025 Honda Civic emphasizes both functionality and comfort, blending ergonomic design with a modern aesthetic. Honda has outfitted the cabin with high-quality materials, soft touch surfaces, and an intuitive layout that enhances the driving experience. An updated infotainment system with a touchscreen display now offers wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, catering to tech-savvy drivers. Spacious seating in the front and rear, along with a refined sound insulation system, makes the cabin feel cozy and quiet, enhancing long drive comfort. The Civic's exterior design for 2025 maintains its sporty, aerodynamic look with a few upgrades that lend it a more upscale appearance. Sleek LED headlights, a redefined grille, and sharper lines on the hood and sides add to the car's sporty profile. With new alloy wheel designs and additional color options, Honda allows customers to personalize their Civic's look. The hatchback variant offers a slightly more aggressive look with a rear spoiler and chrome accents, appealing to those who prefer a bolder style. The 2025 Honda Civic offers a range of powertrain options to meet different driving needs. Standard models come with a fuel-efficient 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, while higher trims offer a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine with a sportier edge, producing more horsepower and responsive handling. For those seeking added performance, the Civic CI and Type R models deliver a more spirited driving experience with enhanced power output and sport-tuned suspension. Across all models, Honda has focused on fuel efficiency and low emissions, ensuring the Civic is an eco-friendly option without sacrificing performance. Safety is a strong focus in the 2025 Civic, with Honda's suite of safety features called Honda Sensing. Standard on all trims, this suite includes advanced safety and driver assistance technologies like collision mitigation braking system, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and road departure mitigation. The Civic's structure also features reinforced materials designed to enhance passenger protection in case of a collision. Additional available features include a 360-degree camera and blind spot monitoring, providing comprehensive protection for occupants. The 2025 Honda Civic is a balanced combination of style, performance, and safety, making it a versatile choice for drivers seeking a reliable compact car with modern amenities. With a refined design, advanced safety features, and performance options that cater to a range of driving preferences, the Civic continues to set a high standard in its class. Whether it's daily commuting or weekend adventures, the 2025 Honda Civic is well equipped to handle it all, embodying Honda's commitment to quality and innovation. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more related content.